Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise number 29 of 700 book recorded by Saddam Chaudhry, Baba Farid, shorthand and typing Bhavannagar. Today we have so many different means of getting comfortably and quickly from one place to another that we perhaps do not value some of these means as much as we ought. Full stop. In the early days of man's development, he had to walk or to run if he desired to get from one place to another. Full stop. Then, after many years, he discovered that he could sit on the back of an animal if he moved on land, and in this way he sat at ease while the animal labored for him. Full stop. The animal used naturally differed in different countries. Full stop. A very important development came when men discovered that they could move across water. Full stop. The object that carried them over the water in those far off days could not be called a ship as we understand that word today. Full stop. Poor as the methods may have been, however, they did let men reach places that would be otherwise cut off by water. Full stop. For thousands of years there was no development beyond this. Full stop. There existed no quick means of movement. Full stop. Life was simple and hard. Full stop. New para. But things do not stand still. Full stop. We must, we are told, move onwards or move back, and men seem always to have desired to move forward. Full stop. No matter what point they reach, they always see something more calling them onwards. Full stop. Out of this desire for a better material life came good roads, big ships, railways, motor cars and planes. Full stop. So used are we to wonderful plans and to powerful motor cars that we are in danger of undervaluing the railway, that rather out of date method of moving across the country. Exclamation. Few people in these days use the railway for pleasure, they used it because it is a useful means of getting somewhere reasonable quickly. Full stop. If a friend tells us that he is going somewhere by plane, we are immediately interested. Full stop. If he tells us that he has bought a handsome new car and is going to such and such a place, we are likely to be interested. Full stop. If he is going overseas in one of the large and modern ships, all his friends will want to see him off. Full stop. Let him go by rail, however, and no one will take the smallest interest in him. Full stop. Railways are all right in their way, but they are not news! Exclamation new para. Yet the railway he has played an important part in the greatness of our country. Full stop. Railways have quite a long history if we go back to the time when the trains were led by horses, but they have a history of only 100 or so years when we speak of the railway in its modern form. Full stop. The present heavy railway, with great engines and iron or steel railway lines, was developed in this country, and from here it was soon sent to most parts of the world. Full stop. The English built railways were found not only in this country but in other countries overseas, and in a remarkably short time engines were carrying trains full of people and goods at rates as high as those used today. Full stop.